So we're in Gandia, and it's Saturday, the March the 30th. Yeah, sorry, it's March the 30th. I couldn't remember the date. I know it's the 31st tomorrow, so it must be the 30th today. So we're at the end of another month. They seem to be flying by at the moment, and April should be an interesting month to me to see when I'm going to have my surgery. So I should know that on the 25th of April, which I'll be looking forward to knowing, because being in the chair is, you know, I'm lucky to have the people that I do have help me out, like Mary and especially Helen. She's done most of the, she's done most of the work, but you know, Magdalena also helped out for a couple of videos as well. So, you know, I've been very lucky to have all these ladies around me. I know. So I've been very lucky. But as I say, we're in Gandia, and for a change, we're not in the town. We're actually going on the playa. And in front of me is the marina at the moment, which we'll show you, the boats. And then we're going to show you the beach as well. So one of the places here is Club Nautico. This is the marina where people keep their boats, and there's a lot of boats here, and we'll show you some now so you can get an idea of how many there is here. I'm not sure of the numbers. I have checked before, but I can't remember. But we've got a beautiful day here, 21 degrees on this Saturday, and it is rather nice. So this is the marina here. This is as close as I can get at the moment, but it's I'll pan round, and there's quite a few boats here, small ones mostly. There are a couple decent sized ones as well. This one on the right hand side here is quite big, but I have seen them in Gandia where they've got helicopter pads on them and all sorts, you know, multi-million euro ones.
Otra vez. Sí. Despacio. Dentro. Vale.
There. So this, you can see the walkway here. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's just so far. I think this one is about 7 kilometers long, I think, from one end to the other. It's a hell of a size, and also the beach is very wide as well. We'll get to the beach in a minute and we can show you, but I haven't been down to the beach area for some time. It's usually the town area that I concentrate on, but now, you know, we want to try and get the beach. It's very busy. It's a bank holiday weekend. There's a lot of people around, and obviously enjoying their time off. And the sunshine, of course, being that it's 21 degrees, it's a really warm day, and very enjoyable, I have to say. So we've reached the beach area, and we got our first chiringuito on the right hand side, called Beach Club something. I can't read the last word. No, Beach Club Bahia, that's what it's called. And there's loads of people on the beach. Need to get the camera around so we can see, but it's there are plenty of people sunbathing, and there are people in the water as well. So it's incredible, really. You know, we're not even into April yet, you know, and there are a lot of people here. Incredible, absolutely incredible. So they're really enjoying themselves for this bank holiday, this Easter bank holiday that we're having. So come a bit further along, you know, and you can see a bit more beach area and climbing frames for the kids. And as I say, the sky is not as blue as it was, but it's still very nice. It still feels very warm. Sat in the chair here being pushed along. But I'm sure Mary is hotter than what I am, and she's doing all the work. Yeah, good for the muscles, as she says. Not sure that you can hear her. Apologies if it's a bit bumpy on the screen, but there's lots of holes in this pavement where the chair's going, so we can't really help that too much. We've got a second Chiringuito coming up on our right, so there's a few along here anyway to choose from. It's always nice to sit in a Chiringuito and have a few drinks and while away the day. You know, I think that's a good, you know, a good hobby to have, or a good habit to have when you're away on holiday. I think you can enjoy that a lot. And being that close to the sea is obviously quite nice.